하나, 둘, 셋.
Juvenile delinquency is an act of violating the rules in a society that are carried out by teenagers. This social phenomenon is often found among students, especially in the age range of 15 until 19 years. The example of juvenile delinquency are bike, skipping school, watching porn videos, get drunk, brawl, illegal street racing, claiming and other forms of gaming with stakes, abuse of illegal drugs, free sex, theft, rape, and last murder. Juvenile delinquency behavior can be caused by internal factor or external factor. Number 1. Internal factors. Internal factors of juvenile delinquency can be caused by identity crisis. Juvenile delinquency is an act that can be triggered by an identity crisis. Teenagers often question and look for their own identity. However, the failure of the search for identity causes them to commit various missteps. Number 2. Weak self-control. Juvenile delinquency can also occur due to weak self-control, where they are not able to control themselves to avoid negative behavior, even though they already know that it should not be done. 2. External factors. In terms of external factors, the cause of juvenile delinquency are lack of attention and affection from parents, lack of understanding about religion, and the influence of the surrounding environment. First, how to deal with juvenile delinquency that can be done. Number 1. Applying rules and consequences. How to deal with juvenile delinquency today can be done by inviting them to discuss the rules that parents or teachers apply and to consequences. Give them the understanding that these rules can protect them from action that will harm themselves. Number 2. Control yourself. Parents can lose control when dealing with juvenile delinquency behavior. If you want to control them, parents must also be able to control themselves. Know the right time to communicate with children. If you are still very angry, it is advisable to wait until the emotion subsides for effective communication. The next, ask what happened to him. Furthermore, the way to deal with juvenile delinquency is to ask what happened on him. When children misbehave, not a few parents tend to judge them. However, it's best to ask first what really happened there. This will help you understand your teen and make him feel cared for. Next, take time for kids. Sometimes, some parents don't have enough time for their teenagers. They do need attention and affection, so take time to listen to them tell stories and provide solution or problem they face. Next, avoid being rude and criticizing children. Being rude and crushing your teen will only drive them away from you, and they'll be more irritable, so avoid doing this and talk carefully about juvenile delinquency. A psychologist. If teen misbehavior might be triggered by physical problems, invite them to consult a psychologist. That's why you can understand what's going on inside the teenagers. Don't let your action hurt yourself and those around you. The last, if parents still don't understand good parenting, they can take part in a series of activities in parenting education.
Decisions.